welcome to my kitchen. Sorry you caught me off guard. Today I am making Palak Paneer. So let's get started. The ingredients I'm using today are frozen spinach, diced tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste, minced garlic, diced onions, ghee, cumin powder, whole cloves, whole cardamom, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, whole peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, red dried chili, whole cream, and paneer. I'm using frozen spinach for this. So first of all, I'm just adding in 1 cup of water and add in my spinach to the water so that it thaws out. You can also use fresh spinach for this and just let it boil in the water for about a minute. If you're using frozen spinach like I am, add in some more water if you notice that the water decreased. Once this is unfrozen and it's blanched a little bit here, I'm just going to add it into my blender. And don't worry too much about the water. I'm using the same pan for this, but I did wash it before using it again. I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can use oil if you like as well, but I'm just giving it a nice flavor with the ghee. Now add in your spices to this ghee and you just want to let it roast a little bit. Personally, I prefer using whole cardamoms, whole cloves, and whole peppercorns for this, even the cinnamon stick. But if you do prefer using the powder, go ahead and do so. You'll notice very quickly that the spices will eat up all that ghee. So add in some water just so that it doesn't burn. Now I'm adding in the rest of my ingredients. Tomatoes, onions, my minced garlic, and of course ginger and garlic paste. And if you've been watching my videos by now, you know how much I love garlic. So if you want to add less garlic than I have, definitely do so. And as you're noticing here, it's getting a little dry, so add in about half a cup of water. I let mine simmer for about a minute or 2, and you want to let it thicken up. Now for this part, personally, I'm going to blend everything out just so that it gives it a more of a smoother texture, but you do not have to blend out the tomato onion paste. You can just blend the spinach. One thing I'd like to say as well is if you are using chili powder in this recipe, it might just give it a discoloration rather than the nice green looking palak paneer that it's supposed to be. Let's go back to the pan. I'm adding in some oil and then add in your blended spinach, tomato, onions, and we'll just fry this up a little bit. This is the beautiful green color that we are looking for. And if you remember, I did say that you can use the ground spices. And if you look closely in mine, you can see that still the little chunks of the spices. And for me, I don't mind that taste. But if you guys do, definitely use that ground spices instead of the whole spices. Add in some more water if you feel that it might burn at the bottom. And also just so that it gives it a nice sauce to the spinach. Let your spinach cook for about 5 minutes or so before adding the paneer. This is the moment that we've all been looking forward to. Well, I know I have because I love paneer. If you are vegetarian or vegan, you can substitute the paneer for tofu instead. Now just put a lid on this dish or this pan and just let it cook for a little bit, at least for 5 minutes or so. You can add in some more water if you'd like and let it rest, let it simmer, and then it should be ready. And of course, don't forget your salt. And once it's done frying up or cooking a little bit, just add in your whole cream on top of the spinach and the paneer. And this is it. This is my version of the Palak Paneer. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and also comment down below if you've ever tried this before. And thank you so much for watching.